I refuse to pay interest. Paying interest is a waste of money. Paying interest is making somebody rich. Hi friends, Noki here. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been a while since I showed my face on camera. Today is one of those videos where I wanted to come and really show my face as I share with you the 10 things that I refuse to spend my money on. Yes, some of these were pre-pandemic. That means it's been a while since I stopped spending money on some of the things. And let me say that these 10 things plus one bonus, by the way, which will be at the end, and it's going to be a surprise for most of you. And so these are 10 things that I refuse to spend my money on or continue spending my money on, and these are in no particular order. So if this is the type of content that you're interested in, then keep watching. At number 1, I stopped shopping. So what I mean by that is I stopped going to the mall in particular. I do not shop at the mall at all. Since the pandemic, I haven't been to the mall, and yes, that means I'm not going to Bath and Body Works, I'm not going to JCPenney, I'm not going to Macy's or any one of those stores that you find at the mall that are so enticing once you get there. So going to the mall, at times I'll end up having some impulse buys. You know, that means I'll end up buying things that I did not intend to buy in the first place. So to avoid impulsive buying, impulsive purchases, I just cut cold turkey going to the mall. Yes, I did. Coming in at number 2, this also is linked to the mall, but I think this is separate because I used to make that specific trip to have my nails done. Yes, I stopped having my nails done. Instead, I do my nails at home, and I no longer have any French tips or acrylics or any of that for many reasons. Apart from the cost, it wasn't good for my nails. So now I grow my nails naturally, and I prefer to keep my nails short for many other reasons. So I don't go to the mall. And whenever I made that trip to have my nails done, I'll spend about $70 because I'll have the manicure, the pedicure, plus a tip. Yes, indeed. And then coming in at number 3, this is the next thing that I no longer spend my money on, is going to the hair salon. For most of you who know me personally, or those who've been following me since I changed my hairstyle, you know that I had natural locks. I used to shampoo and twist my hair at home all by myself because I wanted them a particular size. So I refused to go to the hairdressers. I haven't been to the hairdressers in a long time. Even cutting them, I did it myself at home. The other thing that I refuse to spend my money on at number 4 is paying interest. Yes, using credit cards or any kind of credit, I refuse to pay interest because paying interest is a waste of money. Paying interest is making somebody rich, and the only interest that I'm paying right now is the mortgage for the condo. Otherwise, any other interest I refuse to pay. Another money wasting habit that I completely cut out is paying overdraft fees. Overdraft fees, especially on the checking account, I refuse to pay that, and I do that by making sure that I keep track of my expenses through a budget as much as possible. This way I get to serve on overdraft fees of $35 per transaction. That is exactly what my bank charges, $35 per transaction. And then if the account is overdrawn for say 5 days or longer, there's another additional $35 per day each time the account is overdrawn. If you're still watching and enjoying this content, please consider subscribing to my channel, because on this channel I share ideas on how you can save and make money in the comfort of your home. Another thing that I consider a money waster and I stop spending money on is spending money on cable. yeah, there hasn't been cable in this condo for over 2 years, maybe 3, maybe 4, I'm not sure, because I haven't watched TV. The internet is good enough, YouTube is good enough for me. That is another way that I save my hard-earned cash. Then at number 7, I stopped buying expensive skincare and beauty products. That includes makeup. I stopped making Lancome rich by downgrading, and that downgrade has served me well. Yes, because what I used to spend on a Lancome foundation, at that time it was about $42 before tax. Add tax onto it, it shoots up to $46. Yes, a 10% tax in our state, $46. And for that amount, I can get everything that I need, from skincare to eyeshadow to lipstick and all. So I stopped making Lancome rich thanks to that unfriendly customer service guy who took over from my beauty consultant lady. That was an opportunity for me to change, and it served me well. Then coming in at number 8, I refuse to pay late fees. Late fees on bills, late fees on anything you can think of. They are just the same as overdraft fees. Late fees and overdraft fees, they are similar. So I refuse to pay late fees. Therefore, how I avoid that, I make sure that the bills are automated, so that on the day they are due, or a couple of days before they are due, the money is deducted from the account. This way I avoid late fees. Tell me how you avoid late fees. And then coming in at number 9, remember to stay on for the bonus money waster that I consciously stopped spending my money on. Another money waster that I stopped eating out. I haven't eaten out in a long time. Yes, eating out, ordering in, those pizzas you order, a pizza that you see for $16, and then you order the sides and the delivery and everything else, it ends up getting to 30. I remember the last time pizza was ordered in this home, we went way off. It went as high as $30 for a pizza that was originally $16. So I stopped ordering pizza or ordering any kind of delivery food. I don't use Uber Eats or DoorDash or any of those. Neither do I go to the restaurants. Instead, I do a lot of meal prepping. I'm going to make sure to link in the description box below a meal prep video that I recently uploaded, and a lot of people enjoyed that video, so you want to check that out. And then coming in at number 10, I cut out all grocery club memberships. Yes, grocery club memberships like Sam's Club, Costco, I cut those because I believe those do work when you have a bigger family. I'm talking about a family of 4 people or more, because it did not make sense. I'll only go to Sam's Club like once or twice a year at the max, and that did not justify me spending $40 every year on that. Instead, I also use budget grocery stores and buying a lot of stuff on Amazon. I recently made a video where I was reviewing the Amazon fresh service. If you want to see that video, that one I'm going to link in the description box below as well. And then now for the bonus tip, my friend, believe it or not, it is a grocery item. I stopped buying water. Water is a big money waster. Yes, it is a grocery item. Water took a big chunk of the grocery bill. What I do instead is boil water, add lemon to it, or just drink it straight boiled. I just boil the water and put it in the refrigerator. I don't have to stress about running out of water, and I know that the water that is boiled, it's even better than some of the water that we purchase. Yes, indeed. Yeah, like somebody said, I stopped buying designer water, guys. You're just paying for the name. So I don't do that. Just boil it, add lemon, and you are good. With that being said, how do you save money, or what are the things that you've stopped spending money on, especially in these past couple of years when things have gotten even more challenging financially? I'm really interested in knowing how your money spending habits have changed since the pandemic. With that being said, my friend, thank you so very much for watching. watching. Share this video if you find it interesting and useful, and don't forget to like this video. It will help other people find this type of content that I upload on a weekly basis. Also check my money saving playlist, which I'm going to link in the description box below. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this video and how you save money. Thank you so very much once again, and remember to be kind, and don't forget to do small things with great love. From my heart to yours. Adios, bye bye, God bless you, love you, I'll see you next time.